Let me guess, you've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but you still don't have one? Well, there's no better time than the present. Hey guys, so I actually just made a YouTube under a week ago, and this is gonna be my 4th video post. Really? Yeah, it's actually not as hard as you'd think. Can you teach me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Great job. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys just how easy it is to make a YouTube channel, and then I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do it. So since starting my YouTube channel less than a week ago, I've only posted a couple videos, and so far I have had handfuls of people reaching out to me telling me that, oh, they know everyone probably says this, but they've actually always wanted to start a channel, and maybe now that I've made one, it will either inspire them to make one, or because it's quarantine, now they're gonna make one. I just wanted to make it a little bit easier for my friends, family, and then anyone who likes this channel to make your YouTube channel right now, today, with what you already have. So I personally know that making a channel can seem scary or intimidating, or like maybe I'm just too lazy and I don't want to put in all the work that it probably takes to make a YouTube. But actually, I am a very lazy person, and this has been such a fun experience so far, and I would do it 10 times over. If I had the chance to go back to almost a decade ago when I first started watching YouTube and thought that maybe it would be something I wanted to do, I wish that I could just tell myself, just get it going, get it started. From there, it just gets easier. Now, I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that it's just every video is easy. Filming's easy, editing's easy, all of it's easy. However, after it being my 4th time doing this, I do notice it getting significantly easier and easier every time. The first video is absolutely by far the hardest. But the good news is, once you just hurry up and post that first video, it's smooth sailing from there. Of course, you're always gonna have to try to learn stuff, but you'll get from it what you put into it. So the very first step is to go on your computer or your phone to youtube.com and create an account. You'll do this by clicking sign in, create an account, choose for myself, and then you'll have to enter your name, your email address, and it's basically just like creating an account for anything else. It seriously takes 10 seconds. Once you have created your YouTube, you can access this by clicking on the little icon and clicking your channel. You're not going to see, your photo, your name, all that. That's what you need to create now that you've made your channel. The first thing I would do is come up with a name. If the channel's about you, put your name. If you're going to have a specific niche, it could be like Everyday with Kay. I don't know. Then you would put like your cool name here. Add your photo. I personally don't feel like the banner is that big of a deal. I honestly didn't even know banners existed until I made my own channel, so don't really stress too much about that stuff. Also, I would suggest getting YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where you can change your thumbnails, you can add descriptions, you can add titles. I highly suggest getting it. So the next thing you're going to want to do is plan out a video idea. If you have a specific niche in your content and you already want to just jump straight into it, you can, or you can do an introductory video like, hi, my name is Cayla, welcome to my channel, I will be posting this kind of content. Great, like and subscribe. Cut. That could be your first video. Make sure that when you take the video, you have your phone held horizontally. Kind of felt a little weird at first, but you'll get used to it. From there, you can choose to either directly upload it to YouTube without editing, or I would say most YouTube people at least try to edit their video in some way, shape, or form. But it is just your first video, so as long as you just get something out there and get over this hurdle, it's gonna be so much easier the next time you do it. So in the event that you do want to edit your video, you can just use iMovie. Go ahead and upload the clip and drag it down that you want to use. And then once you find a part you want to cut out, hit the space bar, hit Control B. It will split the clip into 2, and then you can delete the part that you don't want to use by just pushing delete. Using this, you can create an entire movie. Now that you have your video, you want to upload it to YouTube, so you just go on to YouTube, click upload, and it usually takes quite a while. From there, if you want to take it a step further, download the YouTube Studio app. On YouTube Studio, you can come up with a title, create a thumbnail, and come up with a description. You're going to want to come up with a really cool title that people are going to want to click on. And if you do create your thumbnail, you're also going to want to make your thumbnail really big, bold, loud, whatever you like clicking on when you go through YouTube. You should make your thumbnails look similar. And yeah, basically that is everything that you need to do. From there, you just click post and public and everyone can watch your video. I'm trying so hard to act normal right now, but my dog is attacking me from under the table. So all in all, this probably could take you 30 minutes to an hour, as long as you just create the YouTube, get that first video out there. It will not take that long to just get the video out there. Honestly, I want to see your content, and I'm sure a bunch of other people do too. So if you're my friend, my family, somebody who's written to me about it, or just a random person watching my YouTube, I think you should make your video now. Thank you guys so much for watching my video on how to make a YouTube and why you should do it right now during quarantine. There's honestly not going to be another time where you have this much free time until you're like retired and 80. So I think you should just make it. Just get over it. Just make the YouTube. Who cares what people think? Who cares? Who cares? I don't care. Do you care? I just think you should just make it. Honestly, it's been a week since having my channel, less than a week, but I am absolutely addicted. I'm so happy. I love it. I feel like I should have been doing this so long ago, and I honestly regret it, and I don't want anybody else to feel that regret. If it's something that makes you happy, I really think that you should do it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and if you have any questions, just comment them below, text me, message me, snail mail me, page me, beat me. If you want to reach me, I will answer your questions, whatever you have. I seriously just want you guys to make YouTube channels because it's so fun, it's awesome, and I don't know what more I could tell you besides it's making me really, really happy, and I want you to be happy too. So make your YouTube channel and then let me know what your name is down there. I mean, obviously I'll see your profile, so I'm new at this too, and we can learn together. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video. Let's see this little munchkin. She's a little munchkin. Tell everybody what you did for my whole video. What did you do during Mommy's video? Tell them, girl. What did you do? Bye.